Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 9th to the 15th of September. So a lot of us got this booster, 5 back when you spend 15. Some of us also did not get it. My main account didn't get it, but my husband's account got it. So always a lottery and your mileage may vary. This should be at the top of your digital coupons folder. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital manufacturers will be published on Sunday, November the 9th. Some of these deals are from last week, so they're just rolling it into this week, but we do have some new ones in this, but the majority of the coupons, you can load them on Sunday moving forward. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Or even press the hype button if you might have it. It really helps out the channel and this video if you could possibly do that. I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about includes a touch of fanciness. It is on the Tom's of Maine toothpaste on a buy one get one 40% off, $4 reward when you buy two, and a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing two of these, it's going to be $11.18. Subtracting your digital coupon, that's $8.18. $4 register reward, making it $4.18 for the two, or $2.09 per tube of toothpaste. Fancier stuff. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with a booster. The deodorant is about $9.99 per, so if you wanted to do it with that, it's on any of their products. And the kids' toothpaste is $1 cheaper if you wanted to go in that avenue, but this is for the adult toothpaste if you wanted to try it out. Look really carefully. It says Colgate or Hello Dental Care. The Hello toothpaste, a lot of it doesn't have fluoride, so if you wanted to go that avenue, I know a lot of people have very sensitive teeth, so this might be the deal for you. And this toothpaste, we really don't get deals on it. But two of them for $10, subtracting that generous coupon, you're going to pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for two, or 50 cents per tube of Hello toothpaste. Do not use any Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with a booster, but if you're just doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. But two solid deals with toothpaste that we don't often get. I know we're always going for the little freebie cheapies, but with the Hello toothpaste, I mean, we only get this once in a blue moon, so I would definitely stock up if this is a favorite. We're going to do a deal with this friend, the 5 back when you spend 15. You have to pay with your debit card for the balance for this one. We're going to be grabbing two of the larger Old Spice Christmas kits for $14.99. $4 reward when you buy two, plus we have a $2 digital. Over on IBOTTA, we're getting $7 back, $7.50 back when we buy two. So definitely open up that app and scan it and make sure this rebate is still there. Grabbing two of those fancy kits for $29.98, subtracting one $2 digital, have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $27.98 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash. Take a picture for IBOTTA for that $7.50 back. It makes it $11.48 for the two, or $5.74 per gift set. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster, but what a deal. We're looking at a deal with the 350 Crest or Oral-B brushes, $5 reward when you buy three with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Picking up three of these at $3.50 a pop, that's $10.50. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the three, or 16 cents per toothbrush or one of those toothpastes. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal in concert with a booster. Great stock up price, guys. Okay, the 4 for $10, it's making these P&G laundry care products $2.50 each for the Febreze, Tide Simply, Downy, Unstoppable Beads. Yes, you can mix and match, and I see that Mr. Clean is part of this. So for $2.50, if you have extra register rewards or Walgreens cash you want to spend, for newer shoppers, build your stockpile at $2.50. The Kit Kat Santas are on a buy one get one free promotion. So it's basically going to be $6.99 for two, or $3.49 per bag. If you have some register rewards from other deals, throw it into this to pay a lot less out of pocket. And now we're looking at a deal with the Dove. If IBOTTA or Fetch has a rebate to go with this, it's going to be a lot better. These are the much larger bottles at $11 a pop. Two of them is $22. So two of them is 22. I'm assuming we're going to get a $2 for the men's and a $2 for the women's. That's a Sunday. You have to double, triple check, but that's $4 off. Pay 18, get back a $3 register reward, making it 15 for the 2 or 7 per. If you wanted to throw the booster in with this, you'd have to pay 18 for the balance and you get an extra $5 of Walgreens cash, making it 10 for the 2 or $5 per unit. We kind of need something extra to go with this because $7 for these big mamas, still a bit too much for this girl. But if you are in desperate need of Dove body wash, a deal. A bunch of items by P&G went up in price, including the Head & Shoulders, Olay, and Old Spice body wash and deodorants, including Head & Shoulders as well. Two of these shampoos on a buy one get one 50% off will be $13.48. Subtracting our 3 off 2 digital, you'll pay $10.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.48 for the 2 or $3.74 per unit. If you are doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. The Tresemme is $6 for the larger bottles of the shampoo, $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these bottles, it's going to be $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per unit. If you are doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $4 register reward. Okay, now we're looking at the Axe deal again. This was ongoing from last week. So if you want to take part, grab 2 of them for $10.18. It is the body wash. Subtracting our generous 5 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $5.18, pardon me. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $3.18 for the 2 or $1.49 per unit. If you remember the Dove body wash, how expensive that is, get your guys to start using Axe because this is the one brand that's offering us really reasonable deals on body wash. And we also have the soft soap Irish Spring, and it's also for the hand soap refill. So that's the one I would go for $5.99. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $11.98. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $8.48. Get back a $1.50 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with a booster. The IBOTTA rebate is for Walmart only for soft soap. We're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one's a soda deal. It is 2 for $12 on Coke, Sprite. This is $6 per 12 pack. This is definitely a deal of the week. So get your Christmas sodas. I would stock up for this price. We haven't seen this price in years at Walgreens. We also have the Pop-Tarts on a buy one, get one free promotion. Just an easy, quick breakfast or a treat after dinner. My husband loves the brown sugar one. That is his favorite. And we also have a buy one, get one free on the Nice Almonds or Cashews, which is the Walgreens brand. It's really good. I think it's probably made in the same factory as some of the Planters ones because it's really good quality of nuts if you like to have them for Christmas or just to have in your purse when you're out and about couponing. The Complete Home Trash Bags, which is the Walgreens brand, the small or medium, it's $4.79 for the first. You're going to get 2 for free, making it $1.59 for a box of 18 or 30. That's a good price point. And also buy one, get 2 for free on their food storage bags by Walgreens. It makes it 93 cents per unit, $2.79 for the first with 2 for free. That's it for this video. And for all the new shoppers out there, I'm going to link a video right here, how to coupon at Walgreens. You might want to check it out just to explain more of these rules. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.